Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Sabri. I from the Faculty of Electrical Engineering. I am an electrician. In my work, I always need equipment. One of the tool I use is tespen. Tespen is an electrical device that is used to check the voltage. Tespen can also be a screwdriver because it has the same shape as a screwdriver. At the opportunity. This time I will explain how to use tespen. First of all, prepare a power source that will check for the voltage. After it is all ready, to enter the tespen into one of the holes for the power source that has been provided. In the voltage ada tegangan we can find out what voltage is there when the tespen is on. Lamp. We can find out what voltage is there when the tespen is on. This right. That is all from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.